Friends, in this video we will discuss the problems on matrices which were given in 2018, 2019, 2020 case set. Right? Right. Let's take one problem. That is here given A equal to first problem. If A equal to 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, then they asking a to the power of 4 is equal to first option they given a, and second option 2a, third option I, and fourth option is 4a. Now for this one what we have to do means first we have to do a square. So if you do a square, then this a square can be written as 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 0. Now if you multiply these two matrices, so that is equal to first row with first column, so 0, 0, 1, so 1 you will get. First row with the second column, so 0, 0, 0 you will get. Second first row with third column also 0. Second row with first column 0. Second row with second column 1. Second row with third column 0. Third row with first column 0. Third row with second column 0, and third row with third column 1, 0, 0 means 1 you will get. Means this is nothing but identity matrix of order 3, right? Now a square equal to what? A into a, that is equal to I. So finally a square equal to I. Now what we have to find? A to the power of 4. So a square whole square equal to a to the power of 4. So therefore a to the power of 4 equal to I square. I square is nothing but identity matrix only. So that's why our answer is third option, right? Next problem. Take the next problem. That is so here they given second problem. If 2, 1, 3, 2 into a equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, then the matrix capital A is, so here options they have given. First option is 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, like that. Four options they given. So here A we have to find. So first one is 2, 1, 3, 2 into A and equal to what? 1, 0, 0, 1 means right side what they given, right side is identity matrix. So you can do by using the inverse also, but without inverse also you can find. So without inverse means here you can take BA equal to I. So A equal to B inverse into I. So if you find B inverse A you will get. But still we have not completed that one. So that's why. So one more method I will take, that is 2, 1, 3, 2. Right? Now this one A, B, C, D I will take. Let A equal to A, B, C, D. Now right side identity matrix of order 1, 0, 0, 1. identity matrix of order 2. So why you taken this one 2 by 2 matrix only? Means matrix multiplication is, this is 2 by 2. Matrix multiplication is possible when number of columns of the first matrix is equal to number of rows of the second matrix, right? But this number of columns you don't know still. But right side what is there? 2 by 2 is there. So resultant order is what? This one. So 2 by this one. But here what is there? 2. So that's why 2 by 2 matrix only we have to take, right? And now multiply these two. That is equal to first row with the first column 2a plus c. Next first row with the second column 2b plus d. Next second row with the first column 3a plus 2c. Second row with the second column 3b plus 2d equal to 1 0 0 1. Now here order 2 by 2, this is also order 2 by 2. So by the equality of matrices, so you can equate these two and these two. So 2a plus c equal to 1 and 2b plus d equal to 0. Next you can equate these two also. 3a plus 2c equal to 0. And you can equate these two also. That is 3b plus 2d equal to 1. Right? Now if you solve these two, you will get a and c values. If you solve these two, b and d values, you will get these a, b, c, d values. If you substitute in this one, then a matrix you will get. Right? Now, so first you solve these two, this one and this one. So that is 2a plus c equal to 1 and 3a plus 2c equal to 0. Take this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. To get a or b, so you have to equate either a or c. So for that you multiply this equation 1 with 2. So this becomes, so 4a plus 2c equal to 2, second one into 1. So that is 3a plus 2c equal to 0. Now if you solve these two, so subtract these two, 4a minus 3a is a, so here minus these two get cancelled, plus 0 equal to here minus 2 minus 0 is 2, therefore a equal to 2. This a value, substitute any one of these two equations, then you will get c value. So 2a plus c equal to 1 and a value if you substitute here 4 plus c equal to 1 and c equal to minus 3. So by solving equation 1 and 2, getting a equal to 2 and c equal to minus 3. If you solve these two, b and d you will get. But before solving this one, once you observe the options, how they given options, that is also most important one. Because by a and c only, if you identify the option, then that is good. So first option, you can save the time also. 2, 1, 3, 2 they given. And second option, so 2 minus 1 minus 3 2 they given, and third option minus 3 minus 2 1 and 3 minus 2, and fourth option they have given 2 minus 1 and 3 2. So here a equal to what we have taken, a b c d. So a equal to 2 and c equal to minus 3. So in these four options, a equal to 2 and c equal to minus 3. So here a2, so here 2 3, here minus 2 3, here 2 3 again. But a equal to 2, c equal to minus 3 is only in second option. So that's why without finding b and d, you can identify the answer, that is second option, right? Suppose anywhere in these three options, 2 comma minus 3 also there, means we have to solve b and d also, right? Right. Next problem. So that is third problem. If A and B are square matrices, are square matrices of same order, of same order, and B is a skew symmetric matrix. B is a skew symmetric matrix. Then they asking A dash B A is. So options also I will write. First option is symmetric, and second option is null matrix, and third option is diagonal matrix, and fourth option is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. So once you see this problem, so A and B are square matrices of same order, and B is skew symmetric matrix. What they given? B is skew symmetric matrix. B is skew symmetric matrix means B dash equal to minus B they have given. B is skew symmetric matrix means B dash equal to minus B. Then we have to show this one, or we have to find this one is either symmetric or skew symmetric, null or diagonal. For that what we have to do? A dash B A whole dash we have to take. Equal to same this one getting, that is symmetric, minus of that one getting skew symmetric we have to take. For that we know that AB whole dash equal to B dash into A dash, we have one property. Or ABC whole dash equal to C dash B dash A dash, one more property is there. By that property you can write this one A dash B dash and A dash whole dash. But again we know that A dash whole dash equal to what? A. Now by that property you can write this as A dash B dash into A. But what they given? B dash equal to minus B. So B dash equal to minus B. So A dash minus B into A. So scalar multiple you can take like this, minus of A dash B into A. So A dash B A whole dash equal to minus of A dash B A means minus of this matrix getting means definitely given this A dash B A is a skew symmetric matrix, right? Next problem. Next, see this problem. If P and Q are symmetric matrices, all these are previous problems on matrices of the same order, then PQ minus QP is, so same options they have given, identity matrix, and the second one is the symmetric matrix, and the third one is the zero matrix, and fourth one is given skew symmetric matrix. Q symmetric matrix. So here what they given, P and Q are symmetric matrices. Means what they given, P dash equal to P and Q dash equal to Q. Then they asking PQ minus QP is what? Take whole dash. Like this we did many problems. So here this is in the form of A minus B. So that's why PQ whole dash minus QP whole dash. Again you can write this as Q dash P dash minus P dash Q dash. But Q dash equal to what? Q and P dash equal to P. So PQ. But it is not equal to PQ minus QP. So that's why minus of PQ minus QP you can write. Now PQ minus QP whole dash equal to minus of PQ minus QP means definitely this matrix PQ minus QP is a what? Skew symmetric matrix. Once you see that problem, next problem. So this one, fifth problem. If 3a plus 4b dash equal to 7 minus 10, 17, 0, 6, 31. If 3a plus 4b dash equal to 7 minus 10, 17, 0, 6, 31 and b equal to 2b minus 3a dash equal to minus 1, 18, 4, 0, minus 5, minus 7. Then they are asking b equal to, I think we have done already this problem. So okay, once again you see. So what they asking, b asking, right? Already here b is there. So this one you convert or you take as b by taking transpose. So if you take the transpose on both the sides, what you will get, 3a plus 4b dash whole dash equal to transpose of this one means 7 minus 10, 17, 0, 6, 31 transpose whole dash. So that is equal to, you can write this is 3a whole dash plus 4b dash whole dash equal to 7 minus 10, 17, 0, 6, 31. Right? Now that is equal to, so 3a whole dash means ka dash means 3 into a dash plus 4 into b dash whole dash is 4b equal to 7 minus 10, 17 and 0, 6, 31. Right? Now if you take the transpose of this one, so here what you will get, you have to take the transpose of this one also, no? So here this becomes 7, 0, minus 10, 6, 17, 31. Right side also you have to take the transpose here. Next here also 7, 0, minus 10, 6, 17, 31. Okay. Now we have to solve these two. That is, if you write here 2b, or you can write like this, minus 3a dash plus 2b equal to, that is minus 1, 18, 4, 0, minus 5, minus 7. So take this as 1 and this as 2, adding 1 and 2. If you add 1 and 2, so these two get cancelled. What is remaining here? 2b plus 4b is left side 6b you will get. Right side, So here we have to add so corresponding elements. 7 minus 1 it is 6, and 0 plus 18 is 18. Next, minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6, and 6 plus 0 is 6. Next, 10 minus 5 is 12. Next, 31 minus 7 is 24. Now b equal to 6, 1 by 6 into b equal to 1 by 6 into 6, 18 minus 6, 6 here 20, 12 and 24. So finally, what you will get that b equal to 1, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 4. How to get? Multiply this 1 by 6 with each and every element of this matrix. So 6 into 1 by 6, 1. 1 by 6 into 18, 3 like that. Okay. So this is our required answer. Once you see that problem. So answer is 1, 3, minus 1, 1 and 2, 4, right? Next problem. So next problem. If a equal to 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2, then a power n equal to 2 power k into a, where k equal to. So for this problem, options compulsory. You have to take 2 power n minus 1, second option n plus 1, third option n minus 1, and fourth option is 2 into n minus 1. So carefully we have to do this problem. So here a square I will do to do this problem. So 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2 into 2 minus 2. Otherwise, first before only this a can be written as like this. If you take 2 common, 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1, like this also you can do, right? Now if you take a square, so a into a equal to this one, again this one means what you will get, 2 square into 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1, right? So this one into again that one means 2 into 2, 2 square, and this one. So again if you multiply a square, that is equal to 2 square into, so first row with first column 1 minus or minus plus 1, 2 you will get. First row with the second column minus 1 and minus 1, so what you will get, minus 2 you get. Second row with the first column, so minus 2, second row with the second column plus 2 getting. So that is equal to, so 2 square into a, okay, no? So here I will write that is a square equal to 2 square into a getting, right? This is the first condition. Again you do a cube also you do, what will get? A cube nothing but a into a square, that is equal to, a is what? 2 into 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1, and a square equal to what? 2 square into a, right? 2 square into a. So 2 into 2, 2 cube. So that is 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. But a means how to write? 2 into 1 minus 1 and minus 1 1. Can you write? Now 2 into 2, 2 to the power of 4, right? Now if you multiply, already you multiplied these two, what you will get? 2 minus 2 minus 2 and 2 you will get. That is equal to what? 2 to the power of 4 into a. So again a cube equal to what? 2 to the power of 4 into a. This is the second condition. So you have to verify, right? Suppose any two options are same, means again a to the power of 4 you have to take. Now okay, I will do a to the power of 4 also. A to the power of 4, if you take a to the power of 4 equal to a into a cube. A is what? 2 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 1, right? Now a cube equal to what? 2 to the power of 4 into a. That is equal to 2 into 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5. So it's taking time. So that's why in first half an hour we should not do this type of problems. Now 2 to the power of 5 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 1, and a is what? 2 into, a means 2 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 1. So 2 into 2, 2 to the power of 6. Again if you multiply, what you will get? A only you will get. So a to the power of 4 equal to what? 2 to the power of 6 into a. Now verify the answer. So a square, first option, if you take a square equal to what? 2 square into a. 2 square into a. Now substitute, suppose if you substitute n equal to 2. In this one, if you substitute n equal to 2, listen carefully. If you substitute n equal to 2, a square you will get, right? Now a square means what should get? Right side 2 square into a, then this is the answer. Now k equal to what they asking? K equal to, in these 4, any one of the correct answer. So n equal to 2, if you substitute 2 to the power of 2 minus 1, 2. So 2 minus 1. So what will get? K equal to 2. If you substitute 2 square into a, satisfied or not? So once again listen. So here a to the power of 4, I will write a to the power of 4 equal to 2 power 6 into a. This is the third condition. Okay. And now verify. N equal to 2 if you substitute, here what will get? A square into, so for explanation purpose each and every step I am writing, but in exam no need to write each and every step. 2 to the power of k into a. So here k equal to what? Any one of the options. So k equal to, suppose if you take here 2 to the power of 2 minus 1, that is equal to 2. If you substitute 2 square, satisfied. Now a square equal to 2 square. So first option satisfied. And come to second option, k equal to 2 plus 1, 3. So 2 to the power of 3 not there. So we can't take this option, right? Next k equal to, n equal to 2, substitute in this one. So k equal to 2 minus 1, 1. So 2 power 1, no, not satisfying this one. So that's why third option also we can't take, and second option also we can't take. Next fourth option, n equal to 2, in this option you substitute 2 into 2 minus 1. So 2. So 2 square, satisfying. So first option satisfying, second option satisfying when n equal to 2. Next substitute n equal to 3. N equal to 3 means a cube you will get here. A cube equal to 2 power k into a. Here k asking, k equal to any one of these two only. No need to check these two because already it fails for the n equal to 2. So n equal to 3. 2 to the power of 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2 square. So k equal to 2 square means if you substitute here a cube equal to 2 to the power of, so here 2 square means 4, means satisfying or not? 2 to the power of 4, right? So k equal to 4 means 2 to the power of 4. A cube equal to 2 to the power of 4 into a. So this is satisfying. And what about fourth option? So k equal to 2 into 2 here n equal to 3. 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4. So k equal to 4. So 2 to the power of 4, this one also satisfying. So n equal to 3, this one and this one also satisfying. Are you following what I am doing? Next n equal to 4 we have to take, means n equal to 2, these two satisfying, and n equal to 3, these two also satisfying. So take n equal to 4. If you take n equal to 4, n equal to 4 means a power 4 equal to 2 power k into a, means what should get? 2 power 6 you should get. So where you will get 6, that is our answer. Now k equal to, suppose if you take 2 to the power of n equal to 4 means 3 minus 4 minus 1, that is equal to 2 power 3, that is equal to 8. But here what is there? 2 power 6 is there. So first option fails for n equal to 4. Next come to fourth option. Suppose if you take k equal to 2 into 4 minus 1, that equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6, satisfying fourth option. So that's why our required answer is 4. Like that we have to verify the option, right? Next. One more problem you see. So here this problem they given 1 1 minus 1 1 and into x y equal to 2 4. So then what they asking, the values of x and y respectively are So first option they given minus 3 minus 1, and second option 1 3, third option 3 comma 1, and fourth option is minus 1 comma 3. Right. So what we have to do? Just we have to multiply these two. This is order 2 by 2, this is 2 by 1. So number of columns of the first matrix equal to number of rows of the second matrix. So matrix multiplication is possible. And what is the order of the resultant matrix? 2 rows, 1 column. So that is equal to, if you multiply first row with first column, x plus y you will get. Second row with this column, minus x plus y you will get. That is equal to, right side what is there? 2 4 is there. So this is the order 1 by 2 rows 1 column, and this is also 2 rows 1 column. So if you equate these two, x plus y equal to 2 you will get, minus x plus y equal to 4. So these two get cancelled. Now here 2y equal to 6, y equal to 3. Okay. And now so here y equal to 3 here and here is there, so definitely you have to find x also. So this one you substitute in any one of the equation, x plus 3 equal to 2, so x equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 3 is what? Fourth option. Like this we have to compare left side and right side, then we have to solve these two equations, then you will get x and y values. That x and y values are a required answer. Next problem. So next one is they given, if a equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then they asking a into a dash equal to, first option they given a only, second option they have given 0 matrix, and third option a dash, and fourth option is identity matrix. So a into a dash, this is also one of the simple problem, easiest. cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha, and a dash equal to what? So this is first column becomes first row and second column becomes second row. Okay, now what they asking, a into a dash, that is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha into cos alpha. Okay, next what we have to do, into a dash. What is a dash? Cos alpha minus sin alpha and sin alpha cos alpha. Now this is the order 2 by 2, this is also order 2, so matrix multiplication is possible. So multiply these two, that is equal to first row with first column. So cos square plus sin square, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Now first row with second column, that is minus cos alpha sin alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha. Next second row with the first column, minus sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha into sin alpha. Next second row with the second column, minus minus plus sin square alpha into cos square alpha. Now if you simplify this, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1 and this is 0 and this is also 0 1, that is equal to identity matrix, right? So these are the problems on matrices which were given in what, 2018, 2019 and 2020 KCET, right? In the next video we will start determinants. Okay, no? Thank you.